Hey, so in Halong Bay, just chartered the whole boat to go out to see the islands here, and the whole boat, charter the whole boat was about 3,500,000. So you know, about 200 odd dollars and Australian, and there's 7 of us, so it's not that dear. But anyway, on our way out to Halong Bay, and these are the other guests on my honeymoon. My mum, my sister-in-law, because I forgot her last time, my brother, and my brother's sons, Eli and Moses. And just in case their actual mother's watching, no, they're not my brother's sons. Anyway, and my wife, she's on my honeymoon too, funny enough. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and we'll show you the islands on the next video.